so that the company can know how much they need to look at.
Okay. Okay. For a start, at least per month, they can do 210 for everything. 210, the content, the graphics, the video, the email. If they can do 210 for a start, then from there we can pick it up. So here are the designs. They are very clean and they are very, very neat. So I'll be putting you through how I did it, how I made it. Then if you want to contact me for other things, you can contact me. Then if you want to get Canva Pro as well, you can also contact me for the Canva Pro also. So you can contact me for anything, design, graphics, video editing, web design, and any other thing like that. Then I will advise you get Canva Pro. So if you want to get Canva Pro, just go to the description of the video below and click on the link. Then if you want to reach me as well, you can click on the link. And if you want to join some of our trainings, just go to the description section. You see a link to get to us and chat us anyone you want to do. So I'll be cleaning everything for you so that you can. I will start from the beginning, the basics. So I'll be removing this. I'll be removing this. Let me just remove it. Let me delete it. Then I will delete this as well. It won't take me much time. Let me remove everything. Let me remove everything so that you see how I did it. Okay. So let me just quickly do make the design. The background was not there. Let me remove everything. The background was not there. So let's assume this is what we have. So the first thing I did was I added the background. Then if you want to add the background, you click on this plus icon. I'll be using my pen to help you out. You click on the plus icon below. When you click on the plus icon, you click on elements. You click on elements below here. So when you click on elements, when you get to elements, you see many things. So I'll be searching for gradients. So you search for gradients. So when you search for gradients, you see different gradient that you can use. But at the end, I used I think I used this one. I used this. Okay, this was the one I used. Then I changed the color. I rotated this gradient like this. I rotated it like this. Then I changed this color to the color of. I changed the color. Mm, okay, let me use this color. So I use that color. Okay, so you enlarge it. You enlarge that. You enlarge the shape. So once you've enlarged it, the next thing I will do is let me make this color kind of darker. Let me make it darker because that's where my text is going to be, and my text must be visible to read. I don't want it to be too dark, and it shouldn't be too light. Okay. Alright. So this background, I will use that green, the one that looks like green color. I'm going to turn it to this. But first of all, let me go back to initial. So I went back to the initial color I have before changing anything. So I'm going to be changing this to this. I'm going to be making it this because that's the parent color. So then this other one here, there's another color down there. This one, I can make it this. So then I will rotate the design. I'll rotate it like this. Then you can make this kind of darker little. After you've done that, send the design to the back because I have some elements at the back. Okay. So then you import the image you want to use. So click on the plus icon still. Then click on upload downward. Then so you upload the image you want to use. I'll be using this girl over here. So I'll be using her. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to remove our background. So you click on effects. You can see effects downward here. So you click on effect downward. So when you click on effects, you are going to remove our background. When you click on effect, you click on BG removal. So it's going to automatically remove our background. Then you can readjust the image. You increase this. So I've positioned the image. Then the next thing you need to do is to auto enhance the image. If you're using Canva, if you want to get Canva Pro, there are some features you might not be able to do here. So if you want to get Canva Pro, go to the description section. You get Canva Pro, and you also get stock images that you will need. So when you get the Canva Pro, these are going to be given to you. 280 stock images, clean images that you are going to use. You can see these images. They are very clean. Let me open one for you so you can see. They are very clean and very neat. And you are going to pay for this, to buy it on iStock or on Splash. You are going to be paying so much to get this. Then aside that, you are going to be getting illustrations, 3D illustrations. You can see these are illustrations that you are going to be getting for free after you purchase the Canva Pro, and it's not something that can take your money. So it's something you are going to enjoy for the rest of your life. It is a lifetime access. So that said, there are other many images that you are going to get for free images, business images, a lot, guys. So you can just, if you want to get, you can chat me up. I will drop my link in the description section, or you can click on the link. They are very, very high quality image. You can see for yourself. It's not something I'm hiding. You can see for yourself. So a lot of it. So I'll be going to Canva now, complete the design. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to add text. So you click on that plus icon, you click on text. So when you click on text, you pick the add a heading, the first one, add a heading. Then you click on edit downward. There is edit downward. If you know I'm too fast, you can pause the video and you can reduce the. So I'll be writing Canva. So after I've written Canva, you can enlarge your stuff so you can see what you are doing very well. You change the color to white. So then the next thing you need to do is to change the font. So I use Mont I used Montserrat Classic. So I have Montserrat Classic here. So I use Montserrat Classic. Then I added boldness. I made it bold. Then you copy it. You are going to write Pro. You are going to click on edit. Go down and click on edit downward. Then you type Pro. So you make this bold as well. You can see that it's no more bold like the other one. So you make it bold. So once you've done that, you change the color of that Pro to the color of this lady over here. So I've changed the color. Then you can now start adjusting your design. So there are other ones. You can start adjusting it. So the next one is the other text, which was unlimited lifetime access. So you change the color of this to white as well. So after using the text, you are going to the normal way I went to text, then I added the text, then you add the color white to it. Then you can adjust your fonts and everything. So I'm going to be bringing this downward. I brought it downward, but it's not giving me what I want. So you go to format, you click on alignment. There is this, you can see this 3 4 icon or so below that format. So you go to format. When you go to format, you can drag this up a little. Then let me show you what I meant. You can see this alignment. This is what I used. So I used the other one at the back. So I use this other one here. So then aside that, you are going to space it. Come to spacing. Then you can drag this up as well. Reduce the spacing. You can see what I did. So that's what you're going to do. Then you can align what you, then how did I get, you can see that there are some things I didn't remove. How did I get the crown? How did I get some of the best deal as well? So you click on the plus icon, then you go to elements, you come to elements, then you type, you search for best deal. So you search for best deal. So when you search for it, it's going to bring best deal for you. You can see that best deal was the first thing it brought for me. So that's how I got the best deal. Then how did I get those circle stuff? I didn't make it myself. What I did was I clicked the plus icon. I still went to elements and I searched for gradient as well. I searched for gradients, then it gave me. So when you search for gradients, you click on the graphics aspect of it. So you scroll down and you see many things you can use. I use this one and I use this one. Then when you use them, you have the opportunity to change their color. You can see below here, I have two colors. If I remove this, you can see that there are colors there. So that's how I got it. You can change their color, then send this to the back. I didn't add this in the design, but I want to try something out here. Let me see if it's going to work. Send to the back. You have something that says send to the back. So you can send to the back, then you can make this lighter. So you can remove that. It's not really necessary, but you can try anything you want. So that's how. Then how did I get the crown? You go to green and you search for crown. You search for crown. You're going to see a lot of crown. So then let me go back to for you to see how the thing looks like. You can see that this I'm done with the design. But what you need to do is to align the text together. They are not aligned. You can't leave your design like this. So once you are done with it, let me just show you how I did that. Okay, so this was the original design. I just went back to I just used this back icon here. You can see that there is a back icon and there is a forward icon. So this is how you do it. Then in case you are not getting some features, that means you need Canva Pro. So if you want to get Canva Pro, you can chat me up. I'm going to give you plus stock images, free stock images and illustration that you're going to use. And it's for life. So you come to this, you click on this icon, this share, there is a share icon here. You click on it, then it's going to bring you here. Then make sure you pick PNG and make sure you save. Click on this save download settings. So you click on download, it's going to download it for you, and you are going to have it on your phone. Then if you want to reach out to me as well, just go to the description section and make sure you subscribe if you like the kind of content I post. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell icon so you get more notification. Then if you want to design website, anything you want to do, video editing, you can reach out to me. WhatsApp marketing as well. You can reach out to me, we can talk. So that's how I did it, guys. So see you next